endless possibilities.
Ebusiam samu akwa bebio Coastal Television Central Entertainment Show as usual that mama kanu enda de if you have butu usande yewo Christmas atase yewo Christmas na Christmas so wundinu kwa yedi Christmas a bibia wo mebi enyum wom aso wom edidi wom anom wom fakona ka ho amen ka wa fa ka no se ka ho mo so satma enti sa onya banda ma chere wo wom Christmas na chende ma ye kama da ma na way back oh man way back there there's 2 weeks here city at 40 at this night Charlie osowonyo so wo ka kire na is it LYKHA Boy or yeah LYKHA Boy LYKHA Charlie that guy performance too much Charlie me say city at 40 stage in don't know na chere why you cause no baby say where from this guy LYKHA Boy what from this no baby say the guy me say in the Central Entertainment Show LYKHA Boy is in the house Charlie man 5 for Kubia respect na ababu mutene no mutene
nyame adom kakra yegudo
sure
yeah
sure na ye ka LYKHA Boy pa LYKHA Boy only one to also the came cause I answer I and say we can be I mean LYKHA Boy one
oh okay first of all the nasiba ma ashofo awoshe programming and yaka LYKHA Boy a young boy or Cape Coast Ejon Hember City wow our friend O City Tisiano is now the O City one I was see poly area one yeah I started up with the music kakra though we are on the grind you do ho but you hope then you starting go tende many that so many so I don't in there mo do ho dachi I think kakra I start here we hope they be do until let's LYKHA Boy or a Cape Coast boy or Ejon Hember City
wow
yeah.
Wow aka O City
for
now I wonder was stage you know do CCTU at 40 at this night no no be about LYKHA Boy I'm asking Charlie you people to the disturb what from this LYKHA Boy will be until now chada dina be star be the man LYKHA Boy sharing my say abani here
okay makande early 2018 we were secondary technical yeah that's Cape Coast Technical Institute wow. Cape Tech
wonderful
yeah.
So we are Katosa.
Yeah, Katosa pa.
Katosa.
Remember.
Katosa.
Remember.
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah,
so early 2018 maybe.
Yeah.
And though as most school no do na me shada your music though but I was having the passion for the music. But under the struggles na the school so they wash addition na dey
so
na me shada your time for music. So early 2018 you complete me back here and we started up the church bibi kakra about music. So 2019 and we released the first track. And one of my guy, yeah, shout out to Ashine. Yeah, Ashine for Kakumodo. Yeah, released Jobless. That was our first track. Before then, Santa Moses doing Nano or Edene Asorba. Yeah, so early 2018 and I started music kakra.
Wow.
Let us.
Until 2018 zero be in Nano. Asat now young for the tracks are hand abana when you pa owo the me safe masi kubo da we go fi watch am.
Oh okay. For now the Mekare for now more 6 tracks. Audio mark. And last night I was releasing me EP.
Yeah.
New EP.
Yeah.
Oh audio mark. Yeah, and so the whole right now. Ebi eko audio marker. Ebi hu ebo LYKHA Boy. Ebi hu ewo audio mark. And so
wow. Wow. You bedi nkomo be afọ but. Ebushafo LYKHA BOY. And Yamina Dumala hip hop artist. Yes, I could if you are yebon nkomo. Na me pede ye kwhwe na one track bi. Yeah, ye hwe na track bi mbre sisi na ye ba ye don nkomo twetwe no so. That's it. Ye hwe mra.
TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Yeah, it's like a boy on them. Yeah, overflow. They say a lot of people try, but they couldn't. What I told my G's that I would do, man, I did it. Never underestimate myself, me, I believe in me. Say, fortune, trillion dollars, we gon' get it. If you no get good intention, nigga, pass. If you know you can't handle, nigga, pass. For the ghetto, Uber, wide, nigga, pass. The sheriff, Sana on your black coat, my nigga, pass. Little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. I feel like I'm flying many things that I'm dreaming, yo. Give me water, maka man, and no a teacher. If I meet you for the church, I'm a preacher, yo. For the streets, niggas send you from me gangsta. But who be fear me, you cool like ice water, yo. I did far away and blessings still approaching. Mama yankan yankupon, ever to me, yo. Overflow. I deny you mad, but overflow. It's your right, you mad, but overflow. I deny you mad, but overflow. It's your right, you mad, but overflow. Yeah. $14 trillion on me. I'm a friend from me, nigga, Kwame. Yeah, they say make I show them some money. And yes, I yo, I'm behind me. Yo, some said I'm looking funny, but you know my ways too foreign. Some said I'm looking funny, but you know my ways too foreign. Yeah, it's like a boy on them. Yeah, overflow. They say a lot of people try, but they couldn't. What I told my G's that I would do, man, I did it. Never underestimate myself, me, I believe in me. Say, $14 trillion, we gon' get it. If you no get good intention, nigga, pass. If you know you can't handle, nigga, pass. For the ghetto, Uber, wide, nigga, pass. The sheriff, Sana on your black coat, my nigga, pass. Little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. I feel like I'm flying many things that I'm dreaming, yo. Give me water, maka man, and no a teacher. If I meet you for the church, I'm a preacher, yo. For the streets, niggas send you from me gangsta. But who be fear me, you cool like ice water, yo. I did far away and blessings still approaching. Mama yankan yankupon, ever to me, yo. Overflow. I deny you mad, but overflow. It's your right, you mad, but overflow. I deny you mad, but overflow. It's your right, you mad, but overflow. What I told my G's that I would do, man, I did it. Never underestimate myself, me, I believe in me. Say, $14 we gon' get it. If you don't get good intention, nigga, pass. If you know you can't handle, nigga, pass. For the ghetto, Uber, wide, nigga, pass. The sheriff, Sana on your black coat, my nigga, pass. Little drop of makes a mighty ocean. I feel like I'm flying. Give me water, man, you know my teacher. If I meet you for the church, for the streets, niggas send them from a gangsta. Yeah, like for the
Ebusia overflow insina you may do overflow. Mess this track stage you not just say CCTV at 40 no. Opia one wait from this guy no way. This guy won't break platform no craft or hey my buddy. So that CCTV at 40 no link the fin na a big advantage what there I'm a keep cool side baby actually like link the fin.
Oh, okay. What can they? My brother Crow from US, Alaska.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. President for CCTU.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ex-president for CCTU.
Yeah. SRC president.
SRC president.
Okay. Former SRC president.
Yeah. So from there, no, minya until there, show me bokodo or school artist night.
Yeah.
Yo. So from there, and Neneka sign also okay. Then he can put me on. So say if my so I'm deliver baby fine. I'm so I be in the nanga so I don't know on him.
Yeah.
Just there. Yeah, but though one shot antianka.
Biso.
One tianka. But kakranka you good doing question the oil now obey the name but tianka so. Yeah. So I don't know mama kwenya mamutum. Me the numbers by mamutum bejina mutum ye be them. Yeah.
See you. It's apart from CCTU at 40 show you any performance be or lifestyle starting music since 2018 as you were saying.
Oh yeah. Eli me starting moment from Abra Abo shows or Abra Kakumodo. Yeah. Switch na ze yo that's that kind of that place is ni na Yabo shows kan corner do before answer na CCTU at 40.
Yeah.
Urban.
It's maybe Saddam awards PR organizers we organize bit the Central Music Awards ejo ho ahye bi mudana.
Oh okay. Makande one momeze mo fa mo hu nhye bi muda.
Why?
Ana de
we anje ho.
Menka
PR award.
Anya de bia menyu anje ho.
Yeah.
For me no right now man musu anya 1 or 2 bi.
Okay.
Intini se minya akwanya dem na mutuma ayede ne. Mutuma mo dem ahyem bi. My willing dem mutuma dem ahyem bi.
Sure.
My willing pa dem dem be hyem bi. Se minya akwanya nkoten dia.
Wow. It's like a boy. Says ya no one you producer who is behind your music career and one na old pimpio says ya. I know be anyo.
Oh, okay. For now, I'm working independently.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Onumpo.
That's the secret behind it.
In your show that Charlie serious.
I'm working independently.
Wow.
I'm struggling. I'm still struggling, but yeah. I'm more struggling right now. I'm even struggling independently. If so be so muma.
Yes.
Insha no be ma we budu overflow. I don't know be ma budu overflow.
I even attacking too much overflow. Insha no be ma budu overflow. It's maybe said them question LYKHA Boy wawa.
Oh LYKHA Boy. For now there.
But I want guess.
Oh,
they guess chow.
Na mo girl ba sisi ade.
Hey, and now. So why you break up?
Oh, right now, meaning it be a part of life. It be right now me I'm focusing on the music side.
Okay.
For now.
Yeah.
And besiano so on pedem. Maybe I'll feel like my attention now on music side.
Yeah.
Then kind vibe. It's me so me pet. That's why right now I'm single. Yeah.
It's apart from music, no, LYKHA Boy, about the party, no, for living.
Okay. Apart from music, right now, no, I'm about construction side.
Wonderful.
Sick of school day.
Yeah, as a technical student.
Technical student, yeah. So about construction side.
The blog lane or
mason side.
Yeah, blog lane.
Yeah.
Yes.
And at the same time, yeah, construction some technical school day, why
yeah. You do all.
Me a painting so.
Wonderful.
Plumbing.
Yeah.
Me to my
sure.
It is the man can get on some aside music. For now.
so it's not a backer we are subcontractor nti say if you was search job wo na or the beach man no nyebia mo nya mana I mean LYKHA BOY
for
maybe
real,
that
for real
this matter there for ebishafo LYKHA BOY or bonu phone numbers for charge or channel promo works no him waya mo LYKHA BOY babutwa mo ukunke small one here LYKHA BOY babutwa mo because such musician na rankasa no produce no ho oboko studio wo no consume obed na ra no ye na say or build up such talent ma hina ye ho a chale anya olbasa wadi but for women man mo ye no instead of tibucha na 1000 chen ko 2000 no chere akon ahye wo atasema eti LYKHA BOY mamma kwan na chia nkofo kra na ebembi a ehwe de for now no woro bo wo abobo kra na ebembi usane yere koye be yina no it depend ourselves yewa yeji yan wofi yehu kakakra but si biara impo kra na ebembi abo wo as music industry no na el pass through
ati so the canon no meda oye adofo ina ase obi biara owo Cape Coast penyino moframa wana wonim LYKHA music from the first day me start music one support nkakra na ade ida me perform krampo na ebimpo amenka nchi obia but odu ho na menya adofo a wo support nkakra won na meda obi bia ase at the same time she na so nkoma o city ohembe city obi bia wo ohembe city ejo ohembe obi bia wo bia penyino moframo adofo ina nchira nkoma won ina so okay
it's LYKHA BOY sincerely the LYKHA BOY nanyuma social media handles no ehemfa na ewo ehende na ewo buboni na ne bibia yekwa yebohunu yentum na yanwechu neja yeso ya mobi ho
okay jona pe menyum na social media handles no LYKHA BOY or audio mark audio marker ebo LYKHA BOY Benjamin Tracks ni na o eba social media handles so TikTok Instagram Twitter Facebook like YouTube every digital platform bia ebo LYKHA BOY just LYKHA BOY ebenya me videos and some of my music ni na bi
okay enti ye bedo okonoma enbiri akwada akwhwe wosom kakakra na adam question me misa ansa na akọ was you a man another a young guy esido
yes sir
eba war besia einatna eina woba misunderstanding ba wonu weje awo no onam wa wanse ho ade besi na bonu eduma na mo obekem no de wanse ho na okọ oba no abeko I mean will you call back the marriage?
Oh, for me, me sure them call back the marriage.
The mewa. Abanza.
Oh, because first of all, moon there, minim ebia so obesene pedo onimetna. Nke bia nka ebia yenteman to.
Yes.
And as this year so no otum ono ba no abenu ediba no okọ. Fine, motum afon aye de ne, ebetumi afon ya bibi, but mem pere ye betena biem na bibi dem.
I said we say na mama brown. Wa we jay na our entertainment industry num. Yabaka one of the celebrities one year and she got money. She has. The guy has money. As I say. Now we ji our but recently I interview nkomo bi no that but no yeah we ji our but you create free. Wonya aka ntoko okonu ediba ma na mi so dey tale onu ediba mu a kwana ana
kwana nze boko kwana nde
so
oh yeah for sure
but I wanted them for the bill.
I wanted that be
hey
you go pay go
na ba abi here na lama me yisu na ebiri atimoye adasema eti wala wosampa LYKHA boy tale bada wasi thanks for coming yerasi ebusia LYKHA boy na yani twetwe komoda mam ka che no anbiri ifia aya full packed na mayenda ya ombra yaba ya the center entertainment show boom komo twetwe so ato yawo no yankomra Sancho never fall like soldier. One Philippines night soldier. I'm feeling it. Every bit I killing it. Cause I'm more busy, so we keep on pushing it. Never go down, we up like killing it. Flame the way, man. And them come see me. Every day, they can never be me. I be out told you, never believe me. I was in the game, the internet when you need it. I feel you're gonna say, no person with me. Heal you up. Remind that you heal you up. We see you up. Heal you up. Remind that you heal you up. We see you up. I'm a shoe them go on your side. Elephant you elephant take price. Who was a different one on your bike? Be no more to be no fight. Who fresh color not so on your type. Watch your roulette, net tight. Who was a man down there yarn for fight. Won't your passes to no fight. Oh, hey, what is there to do? We no kite. Come on, running. I love it. Let me try out to call my fight. So many what keep on doing you kind. She said we are the man if I guy outside. We are thinking of mankind. But they got no something that what I always have up in your high. Yeah,